Are you looking forward to seeing Dad?
Love to take a road trip to Spain, but have those annoying family members who get travel sick? Here's how we coped with that particular problem and alleviated another. Our road trip to Disneyland Paris last October got us a free EuroTunnel return crossing due to severe delays. We couldn't stretch this year to the rising prices of an August Florida holiday, so we set about planning several variations of a European driving theme park holiday. Ryanair had some deals on, so before I knew it, Tony and Oliver were planning a lads' holiday starting in Ashford on the Wednesday, while Harry and I laid low until the Saturday. The car was packed with our bags, so we didn't think we had much to worry about. And not only would Harry and I have our own clothes delivered to our destination, but once there, we had a car and a driver.
We've arrived. First stop, the Holiday Inn. Got a very early start tomorrow. This is the Holiday Inn Ashford Central, which is not too far away from the station for the EuroTunnel, hopefully. Room 230, which is supposed to be a twin room. Pretty basic. TV, mirror, little desk for working on. Quite a decent sized room. Twin beds. They're a bit close together. There we go. That's got a proper gap now. Ooh, they're pretty comfy to be fair. Oh wow, nice shower. Like a big double shower thing. Yeah, I like that. That's lovely. Oh, biscuits help. Bourbon creams.
Oh God.
2 packets of bourbon creams. Tea and coffee facilities. Yeah, this will do for the 5 or 6 hours we're going to get in here. What do you reckon?
Yeah, so agree.
We've got any view from the window, apart from the fact that it's dark, obviously. Oh yeah, I can see my car from here. Right. See you in the morning. Morning, guys. 3:30 in the morning. 3:30 in the middle of the night. We're up and on our way to the terminal. It's a bit of a foggy morning. Got some food. First of all, we have a croque monsieur. Share. We're going to share cheese and ham baguette. Espresso, double. Some flan. Got one each of them. Because Oliver was greedy. I don't know how we're going to eat that now without a knife.
You make a fair point.
So, what do you think of your croque monsieur?
It's lovely, actually.
Good.
Yeah.
I've had some of the baguette. Oh, that is very nice. Cheese and it's lovely. Watching how much Oliver eats and have a bit more of that yet.
Are you sure?
Called this just flan, isn't it?
Yes.
Basically an egg custard, I think. Yeah, it's just egg custard. Yeah, that coffee will blow your socks off. Seriously strong. What should keep me awake on the road?
Good.
Unlike Oliver.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
premier class hotel in La Rochelle, which is like a very basic budget hotel. 2 single beds, which is what we've asked for, a twin room, because I'm sharing a bed with him. Just a very budget hotel, like a Formula 1, tiny little telly, tiny little desk. What do you think?
Yeah, it's
Good location, right next to the port. We'll go outside and have a wander in a bit. Okay, our first proper French meal, galette. What was it called?
complete.
La complete, basically a cheese and ham galette, and some Brittany cider.
Big just chunk of ham in there, and then the rest of it's just cheese.
Really nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well impressed. And the location is the old town in La Rochelle, and it is really, really nice. Wow, Oliver, what have you got there?
Great. Nice looking crate.
It is a nice looking crate. What's it called?
Dame Blanc.
Blanche. Yeah, what's it got in it?
Chocolate, almond, and ice cream. Yeah. Vanilla.
Oh, Tony, what have you got there? Well, I have bananas and chocolate. We've stopped at the services on
Ocean West
or something like that, yeah. And we're about 100 kilometres from the border of Spain. We thought we'd just have a snack, so we're sharing another flan because we like them so much. And a chocolate dessert, which looks pretty amazing.
Yeah.
And a bit of coffee. Well, double espresso because I was tired.
Yeah, I love that. Custard's lovely.
Yeah, I'm going to be really controversial now. They're better than British egg custards.
Oh, it is, yeah. Imagine a vanilla slice with this sort of custard.
Oh, that'd be gorgeous.
Would.
Yeah, it's really, really good. Chocolate cake looks pretty damn good as well. Oh my god, that's thick.
So I try.
It's really nice. Very moist.
I'm trying to think what it's like. Not taut. Is it a taut? It's a brownie and taut. It's lovely though.
Think of.
It's lovely. It's really nice colour.
Yeah, mine squirted some red hot napalm at me and burnt me.
I think you'll find it's called tomato.
Yeah, not at that temperature, it's called napalm. So, where are we? No,
Oh, this place.
can't remember what it's called.
Hendaye, that was it.
Hendaye. Yeah, we're on the border of Spain and France.
Literally
Little-
right on the river border.
Yeah, a little beach town, very pretty place. And we thought we'd have something to eat, a bit of pizza. So I'm going to tuck in.
This is just me taking a break from the stress. My boss rang me and in a bit of a panic for me. Chances are if she hadn't have rung me, I would have been sitting here tomorrow morning, stressed because I'd suddenly found out that the trains weren't running. So I'm 24 hours ahead of where I might otherwise have been. So thank you, Sarah.
And also, Rachel, I've taken your recommendation on a taxi booking. So, Aerobrights of Stafford. They came recommended. We'll see how that goes tomorrow.
This is absolutely beautiful. Today has just been full of incredible views.
One of the bull running streets in Pamplona. If we can, we'll try and get a tour afterwards. I'm not sure if you can or not. This is the Holiday Inn Express and we're in Pamplona, Spain. And this is our room, 209. Oh, and look, somebody's in. Oh, yes, very nice. Very light, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot more modern than the last holiday we were in.
Yeah. We've got twin room, obviously, and a nice big gap this time between the beds. Makes a change. But yeah, nice full air conditioning unit, which will be good.
Trying to keep around the glass bit between the bathroom.
Oh dear, yeah, I didn't notice that. But yeah, as Oliver's just pointed out, the bathroom has a glass section. Yeah, it's actually quite a nice bathroom, that said. And a bath, which I've not seen on this trip. Oh, we've got a bidet.
Really?
Look!
Oh my god!
That bum washer. Yeah, all in all, quite a nice room, this. Okay.
The view.
Oh yeah, look, who have we got
Nice
then?
one.
Have we?
Yeah.
We've got a bit of a mountain view out the back here. Oh.
The Aldi car park.
Oh yeah, that's not a bad view at all, that.
Oh, I actually quite like that.
Yeah, cool. What did you think of the journey?
God, it's beautiful.
Absolutely gorgeous. We videoed quite a bit of it. So you'll either already have seen it or you will be about to. Morning from our hotel room in Spain. It's Saturday, which means Kirsten and Harry will be coming across.
Oh god, no!
We're going to go into the town, have a look where they do the bull run, and then we've got a 4-hour drive to Madrid. We'll check into the hotel and then go and pick them up from the airport at midnight.
Oh,
We're at the airport. We're at Manchester, Terminal 3. And we are looking forward to seeing the bigger boys. But we've had a lovely time on our own as well. But we're now waiting to be over to Madrid to meet up with the boys. So I'm really excited. And it's been so nice spending this time with Harry as well. I don't get a look in when his dad's there. Security was stressful, quick, but stressful. And now we've just got a long wait because apparently we got the taxi way too early. But you can't take that chance, can you? If it's a case of you might get here late and not get through security in time. But anyway, we're here now, and it's all nice and relaxing now. But I think my mum's going to be aching soon. Just had the first delay, only to 21:43, but might be the first of many. Are you looking forward to seeing Dad?
Once again, it's the family outcast, just not invited to that.
Do you want another hug?
No.
Well, in Madrid. I've never been to Madrid before. Don't know if I've mentioned that already, but I'm quite excited about this. Well, I think my mum will be quite pleased because she loves Spain. It is just gone 10 to 2. And hopefully the hotel isn't far away because I'm shattered. Absolutely shattered. Oh, have you got water? Oh, fantastic.
I hope you enjoyed our travel days to Spain and the fantastic scenery encountered on the way to Madrid. Our next videos will share our thoughts on the 4 Spanish parks we visited, 3 of which were for the first time. And we'll be starting with 2 days at Parque Warner. Thanks for watching.